Hello, my little mathematicians. How are you? Are you ready to learn maths with fun with Uzma ma'am? So come on, let's start today's topic. Today's topic is rounding of number for estimation using number line. Okay, and I hope you all completed its previous part where I had explained the introduction and some application where we can use, where we cannot use this concept, and some terminology. So let us recap first. A quick recap. In previous lesson we had learned two terminologies which we will use in this concept. First is actual sum and the other is estimated sum. Actual sum is exact sum and estimated sum a guess or a judgment. याद आया आप लोगों को? कंप्लीट करा था ना वो लेसन? वेरी गुड. वी हैड लर्न about where we can use this concept and where we cannot. We had learned this also. So where we can use this concept? Money, very good. In length and distance, weight and mass, and measuring capacity. While we are talking about liquid, किस glass में कितना पानी है, इस glass में कितना juice है, like this. And where we cannot use this while we are calculating date and while we are calculating time. Okay, so it's time to start a new lesson, rounding of number using number line. Okay, so first of all you tell me कि you all of you familiar with this number line. होप कि आपने कभी ना कभी तो अपने ये मैथ्स कॉपी में ज़रूर बनाया होगा ना. ओके, सो दिस इज़ अ नंबर लाइन. सो टुडे वी विल लर्न दिस कॉन्सेप्ट थ्रू दिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस. ओके, सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग वन क्वेश्चन ऑलवेज कम्स इन योर माइंड कि एक्चुअल में ये राउंडिंग ऑफ में करना क्या रहता है, इतना कंफ्यूज करता है. लाइक दिस ना, एक्चुअली व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, when I was kid ना, I was student that time also कि I just want one trick कि मुझे कुछ ऐसी ट्रिक पता चल जाए कि इसमें मेरी मिस्टेक्स ना हो. ओके, so then I found this trick, so I'm sharing right now with you. Might be it will be helpful a little, but we have to go with rules also. So first let us suppose we want to round off any number to the nearest 10. ठीक है, so come on, we will write first number, tens place value, ones place value, and in tens place value 1 is there and ones place value 0 is there. So if we round any number to the nearest 10, so I'm telling you one tip also. Okay, so always in place value less than tens, always 0 will come. Place value less than tens, always 0 will come. Okay, and this digit might be changed. Okay, this digit change as per the rules, but here always 0 will come. Okay, let us take some more example. 20, 30, 120, 450. See, you can see now here also in tens place, ones place, what 0 is there. In this also 0 is there. In this also 0 is. So these all number are rounded to the nearest 10. Because in its ones place 0 is there. Okay, while we are talking about the rounding off to the nearest 10, one tip is always in ones place 0 is there. कोई दूसरा number नहीं आएगा, कभी नहीं आएगा. If we want to round off a number to the nearest 100, so what is the trick? See, we have a place value. What we have a place value? 100, tens and ones. These are the place value. Come on, let's put some numbers. So in this also, what we have to round off this number to the nearest 100. Okay, so till nearest 100, till this 100 place value, any digit will be there, and the place value less than 100, place value less than 100, what will come? Always 0 will be there. Okay, always 0 will be there. So example, 700, 800, 1500 and 3100. So see, you can see in all here, in all the number place value less than 100, that means tens place value and ones place value 0 is there. Okay, so these all number are rounded to the nearest 100. Okay, now let us take one more with 1000. So understood ना. अब इसमें क्या होगा, इसमें ये होगा we have a place value 1000, 100 and tens and ones. So till 1000 we have any, we always have any digit, might be the value will change as per the rule, but place value where 100, tens and 0, always what will come, always 0 will be there here, always 0 will be there. Okay, see the example of thousands, 5000, 9000, 25,000, 42,000. see, in all these zeros are there na. So this is the trick. If you want to round off to the 10, if you want to round off to the 10, what will be there, 0 will be there at ones place. 100 mein what will be there, in 100 what will be there, in 100 what will be there, 0 will be there in tens place in one place. In 1000 0 will be there in 100 place, tens place and ones place. Okay, come on, see, we will see the explanation of this. Okay, with this number line only. This is a number line. What is the small lower limit of this? 0 is the lower limit and upper limit is 10 is the upper limit. Okay, this is a simple number line. So what will be the mid? What will be the mid position? Yes, mid position will be 5. Very good. So we have two limits, round down limits and round up limits. Round down numbers and round up numbers. Okay, if so we will keep these two numbers in two boxes, round down box and round up box. Okay, if the number of round down box, what are the numbers, 1 2 3 4, if any number comes this side in this round down limit, so this will round down to the nearest place value. Okay, if any, then this is a round up box. If any number from 5 6 7 8 9, please notice this 5 will also come in this round up box. Okay, look at here everyone, look at here, 5 will also come in round up box. Though 5 is the middle number, 5 middle number है, लेकिन 5 will come in round up box, round up limit. So whenever the number comes between this limit 5 6 7 8 9, these area, so this will be round to the nearest place value. Okay, here right now 10. Getting? आ गया समझ में? ठीक है, नहीं आया रिवाइंड करके दोबारा देखिएगा. ठीक है, चलिए नेक्स्ट, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड विद दिस एग्जाम्पल्स. ओके, take some example. Round off number to the nearest 10. So what we will do, we just make a number line in which the lower limit is what, 10 and upper limit is 20. This we had made number number line of 10. So what we will do, what is the center limit? Center point is 15, midpoint is 50. You can say it center point, you can say it midpoint, it is 15. And what are the others? 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19 and so on. Okay, so this is the, you can change, this might be 20 also and the upper might be 30. So this is the tens number line. Okay, this is the tens number line. Okay, now we will choose one number. We will choose number 13. Okay, 13 we have to round to the nearest 10. So see the round up distance, and now see the round down distance. Now right now no need to calculate, you have to just see the distance. Okay, no need of any calculation right now. So you can see 13 is more close to which number? Round down number. Very good. So this will be round off to the nearest 10. And what is the round down value? 10. So the answer is, if we round off 13 to the nearest 10, what answer will come? Answer will come 10. Answer will come 10. Okay, come on, take one more example. Round off to the nearest 100. So what we will do, again we will make one number line in which lower limit is 100. Now why? Because we have to round off to the nearest 100, and upper limit is 200. And center limit, what will be the midpoint? 100 between 200, what will be the midpoint? 150 is the midpoint. Okay, so now the rest digits will come like this: 100, 110, 120, 130 and so on. So let us round off. We will round off a number 170. Okay, we will take 170 to round off, okay, to the nearest 100. So first we will call those round down arrow, round up arrow, and just see from which limit it's more closer. It's close to round up, okay, it's close to round up. So this 170 will round up to the nearest 100, and nearest 100 is what? 200. So its answer is 200. Okay, when we round off 170 to the nearest 100, answer will come. What answer will come? Answer will come this 200. Okay, answer will come 200. So come on, take the example with 1000 also, otherwise 1000 नाराज हो जाएगा, है ना, कि मेरा एग्जाम्पल नहीं लिया. ठीक है, चलो 1000 को भी ले लेते हैं हम. चलिए 1000 ले लिया. 1000 की वी हैड मेड नंबर लाइन 1000, स्मॉलर लिमिट वी कैन मेक 1000 and the upper round up limit is 2000. You can change. Smaller might be 2000, this might be 2000, this might be 3000, है ना. It's up to your choice. If it's up to the question, not your choice, it's up to the question. Right now what I am taking the smallest, least 1000 limit. Okay, now center limit, what will be the center point? Center number will be 1000 and 2000. What's the number will come in between? 150. Very good. And the rest number is 1000, 1100, 1200, 1300, 1400 and so on. ठीक है. So let us, which number we will round off? We will round off, let us suppose this time we will round off 1500. Okay, 1500. So we'll call our round up arrow, round down arrow, and see the distance. Oops, both distance are same. So what to do? We had learned now in first slide, okay, 15 will come in which? Round up. This 15 which will come with 15, that 5 will come in which limit? Round up limit. Okay, so this will go towards up. Okay, so 15 will round up towards next round up towards next 1000, and the answer will be 2000. Okay, so with the same way we can round off number to the nearest any place value, like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs and so on. किसी भी प्लेस वैल्यू को आप इस तरह से हम नंबर लाइन में राउंड ऑफ कर सकते हैं. अंडरस्टूड. एक लार्ज नंबर का एग्जांपल भी ले लेते हैं हम. ठीक है. उप्स 1,63,000. डरिए नहीं, क्योंकि वंस यू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट यू कैन सॉल्व एनी नंबर. ओके, सो राउंड ऑफ 1,63,354 टू द नियरेस्ट 10,000. ओके, कम ऑन, वी विल सॉल्व इट टुगेदर. So first what we will do, we just write this number in place value. So what we have this place value. As you can see, we have to round up this number to the nearest 10,000. So till 10, so just keep this thing in your mind. Till 10,000 we will have any digits, and after this surely 0 will come. Okay, so if we are talking about the lower limit, okay, so first we'll draw a number line. So what will be the lower limit? We will just place 1,63,000 here. So lower limit, we just make all these zeros, so lower limit will come now. So what we will do, we just make 1,60,000 as a lower limit and 1,70,000 as a upper limit. So okay, difference should be 60,000, 10,000, no? 60,000 and next 10,000 is 70,000. So 1,60,000, 1,70,000. So what will be the center position, midpoint? So the easy way to find out the midpoint is 60 and 70. 60 and 70. What will be the midpoint between 60 and 70? 65. So what will be the midpoint? 1,65,000. Okay, 1,65,000 is midpoint, and the rest places are 1,61,000, 1,62,000 and so on. Okay, Now we come to that number 1,60,000, original number, okay, 1,63,354. So as we can see, this number lies between 1,63,000 and 1,64,000. ठीक है ना, इन दोनों के बीच में है ये नंबर आएगा ना, क्योंकि 1,63,000 here and after some point this 354 might be there. Okay, so if you will add some 354, it will lies between 1,63,000 and 1,64,000. Okay, so come on, quickly recall our up arrows and down arrows. Okay, come on, yes, next one more arrow, come on, very good. So no need to calculate anything, you just observe from which place, from which value, which limit it is closer. It is round down and it is round up. So which distance is closer? Yes, it's round down distance is closer. So it's 1,63,354 rounded to the nearest 10,000 and the answer is, it's rounded to the nearest 10,000 and the answer is 1,60,000. But beta, normally always we are not making number line. This process is quite lengthy na? Every time we have to make a number line, then we have to solve like this. Okay, if it is given in book, if it is given in question ki this is a number line, you have to round, then it's okay, then we can solve. But sometimes it's happen that only number is given, we have to round that number to the nearest any place value. So for that we will not use this number line concept. So in next lesson I will explain you how to round off number without using number line. Okay, so we have very simple two rules एंड टू रूल्स का जो मेन जो पॉइंट है वो आप इसमें समझ चुके हैं, तो आपको बहुत आसानी होगी वो समझने में. यू विल नॉट फेस एनी प्रॉब्लम, इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू, आई एश्योर यू. ओके, इट विल बी अ फन फॉर यू. ओके, सो टिल this what I suggest till then as tiny homework, very tiny. Okay, tiny homework for you. You have to revise this lesson thoroughly at least 2 times. Okay, and do some more practice sums of rounding off with different place value. Okay, till we had done till 10,000, use some other place values and do. Okay, till then, goodbye and have a nice day. Bye bye.